Hey guys, this is Shaker today. We're just making one more part 2 video. The part 1, the game's almost finished. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna heal up my Banana Prince and my Brainiac and Banana Prince. And we'll do it in a 2K her right over here. And now, what I'm gonna do is gonna put, yeah, over here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look like the jacket to an 8. And I'm gonna heal him. 8 on 17. Not better. That's a miss. So, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to there. This. And while these things turn easy here, my turn yet again. I'm gonna attack him. 1, 17. So I'm gonna add a 10. So I hit, and he takes 4. And there's no way this guy's gonna win unless he does what he should do. He can't really do anything. So I'm gonna do the damage with me. And gonna attack him. And then back. Plus 10 out of 18. I hit him, got a 9. Roll my previous, I missed, I take 1 damage. Just 1 damage. And now it would be my turn. And we go out of defense. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I go there. Now I'm going to push her deal. Push me to 8. Matter, matter, and then minutes. So she's doing my team. And, you know, I want to use defense. And you could go. So all I can do is just go clear. My turn, I'm going to 2K right here. Plus we're down to 9. Example. Sorry, 4. 2, 6, 2, 9. Now, since you everybody. And this, move right here. I would attack Sonic. And now this is go. I'm going to put the damage to 3. 10 out of 17. Missed. I would use defense and attack to 17. So remember, I missed. Come on. And let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 2 go. I didn't do that one. This is just going to clear. My turn to clear, and now it's up to Sonic. Let's just go. I'm going to put the game at 3. And something. Missed. Out in deep. My turn now. Out in defense. Now I'm going to attack to 17. Let's see. Oh, I do not. 4, 4. It takes 1, 2, 3, 4, and he is dead. And well, guys, that is the game. So, I want to say thank you guys. I'm trying to make a video in a bit, a week. I'm gonna try to make more videos more often. Please, oh please, take some time out of your day to subscribe, like, and tell others about my channel. And you have any HeroClix ideas or questions, I'll answer them with the best of my ability. I know quite a bit about HeroClix, and thank you guys. I really appreciate what you guys watching. I have quite a bit of upload views. You guys look. Thank you. I've only been on for about a month and a half. I have that much views. I mean, I find that really impressive and really cool. Thank you guys for watching the videos. Subscribe, like, favorite, and have a good day.